Hi everyone. Today I'm going to try to answer a couple of questions. One is, where are we in our galaxy, the Milky Way? The second one is, we see such a lot of stars around. On a clear night, if you are lucky enough to be away from the city, you can see around 5,500 stars in the night sky. How are those stars distributed in the Milky Way? All right. So I'm going to be using the software called Celestia. It's freeware. It's like we are in a spaceship basically, and we can look at the celestial objects from a distance. So here we are at the Earth. I am at a distance of 30,641 kilometers from Earth. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate the Earth. Here's India. I'm recording this in the night, so it's all lit up. So I'm just going to rotate the Earth like this, and you can see how the constellations behind it are changing. Okay, and we can also go like this. So you can see that the constellations are all around the Earth. Okay, I'm going to look at one of the stars of Orion. Let's center it. Okay, so these three stars, everybody knows it's Orion's belt. Let's look at these three and how far they are from each other and from the Earth. Okay, so here is Mintaka, 692.50 light years away. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, right? Then the middle one is at a distance of 0.60 kiloparsec. Now, kiloparsec is a unit of measurement which is larger than a light year, much larger than a light year. This in light years, this is around 1590 years away from us. So, between these two, there is a massive distance. And here again, it's 736.27 light years. So they are nowhere close to each other in the night sky, in the sky. It's just that from Earth's perspective, they look close to each other. So let's go back to the sun and let's see how we can use this to find where we are. Okay, that's very close. Let's go back. What I'm going to do is keep zooming out. And before that, I'm going to do another thing. I'm going to render the orbits of all the planets so that you can clearly see where they are. Okay. So let's start zooming out, zooming out. Okay. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. You can see that in the background, the constellations have not changed shape at all. Okay. And then now the sun has started looking like any other star. It's become very dim actually from where we are. And I'm going to keep zooming out till these start distorting, till the shapes get distorted. Okay. Now the solar system has disappeared now. We are that far off. And only now you can see that the constellations are slowly getting distorted. And now this is for convenience, the way we connect the stars in the constellations. But now it's like we have a lot of lines pointing right at the sun. Okay, still zooming out, zooming out, zooming out, zooming out. So now let me show you how this distribution is. Can you see around the sun, the stars? So now you can think of where we are, how this will be distributed in the Milky Way. You can just try to guess. Okay. Can you see some gas here and there like clouds? Okay. So here are all the stars that we can see with the naked eye. That's how far they are. And here you can see the Milky Way. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see that's the area. Okay. And the Milky Way is this huge. Where was our point? Here. So the Milky Way is this big. And I have to zoom out a lot if I'm going to see another galaxy here. Can you see? It's very difficult. So let's go back to the sun, and that's it for today. Please let me know what you thought of it. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments and like and subscribe. Thank you.